Is there anyone here who has experience coming to class without taking shower first? Or do you know anyone who does that? I know some friends who do that, but don't worry, they are not among you guys. They are from another university. Although this situation seems normal to us, but it will totally affect our day. When we are not taking shower, we will feel uncomfortable and miserable on that day. Just like you, I'm also a student, so I know sometimes we feel so lazy to take shower after having class from morning until evening. But I want to state that what we are doing is not right. We should clean ourselves regularly because there might be bacteria on our body. We have spent our day outside, and the potential for us to have to expose from bacteria is high. There might be bacteria on our environment and the places that we go. We are also having too much sweat in a hot day, and that will make our body smells bad. So that is why we need to clean our body regularly. Personal hygiene is very important in our life because it will help us to avoid disease, boost our confidence, and help us making new friends. So let me start by telling you guys what is the meaning of personal hygiene. According to Wikipedia, hygiene is a practice to preserve health, and personal hygiene is maintaining body cleanliness. Definition of personal hygiene is actually how we care about our body. This includes bathing, washing your hands, brushing your teeth, and others. Personal hygiene is very important because we are surrounded and live in community. We need to be socialized with people, and we need to be clean. So that we have know the meaning, we can explore how we can get a good personal hygiene. So basically, there are 3 basic guides to have good personal hygiene. I know that all of us know how to keep our body clean, but not many of us have practicing it properly. So the first step is you should take bath regularly. You should always wash your body and hair regularly because it will help you to remove dirt, bacteria, and odor from your hair and body. According to Dr. Donald Novi, our skin will exfoliate. Our skin will naturally peel off dead skin cells to make room for new cells every 30 days. The dead skin cells need to come off from our skin to prevent it from creating problems such as hair loss, breakouts, and more. So when we bath, we can scrub away the dead skin cells from our body. Next, we should always wash our hand. You should always wash your hand before eat, after going to bathroom, or after coughing or sneezing to prevent it from spreading the bacteria. This is because the bacteria tend to live up to 48 hours on the surface of your skin. So you need to wash your hand regularly with soap to kill the bacteria. You also should always carry around hygiene products such as hand sanitizer. Hand sanitizer is very useful when there is no soap and water near you. Hand sanitizer that contains 60% of alcohol can kill the bacteria on your hand. Many studies shows that alcohol-based sanitizer can give same effect as using soap and water, which is killing the bacteria on your hand. And lastly is brushing your teeth. You should brush your teeth at least twice a day, which is once in the morning and again at night. Brushing your teeth will minimize the spreading of bacteria in your mouth. This is because when we eat, leftover bits of food is mixed with bacteria in your mouth. So by brushing our teeth, it will help us to remove the bacteria. So that we have know how to get a good personal hygiene. So what we can get if we practice personal hygiene properly. Firstly, personal hygiene can avoid us from disease. If we do not clean, we can easily get disease such as scabies, diarrhea, or another disease such as COVID-19. The COVID-19 virus is transmitted from one person to another through touch or close contact with positive patient. The virus is also may be at public transport such as bus or train. So we as a student who always use public transport, we should always aware and take care of our hygiene after using public transport. Next is personal hygiene can boost our confidence. People is always judging a person through first impression. If the first impression is good, people will have a good mindset about you. Studies from Alexander and Christopher shows that a person's appearance will influencing people judgment. And a study from Maria shows that clothing has a role fulfillment to make a person become more confident. So we as a student, we should wear clean and neat clothes while having a presentation. This will help us to become more confident in front of class. We do not have to worry about other perception about us, and we can presenting well. And lastly, the personal hygiene can help us making new friends. If we are clean and neat, people will always comfortable with us. People will avoid a person who have bad breath and bad body odors. The unpleasant smell will distract them from coming to you. They will not comfortable to talk with you and friends with you. As the conclusion, it is so easy to have a good personal hygiene. The basic guide that I have mentioned earlier is very easy to follow. So if we practice a good personal hygiene, we can get many benefits such as avoid disease, boost our confidence, and help us making new friends. So we should not take this issue lightly. We should bear in mind that personal hygiene is very important in our life. Thank you.